Today I'm going to Quảng Nhi in OC for lunch. So it's a Monday at around 1:30, so not a lot of people. I just love the decoration of this place. It's very clean, spacious, and modern. So we end up ordering the number 4, number 6, and number 14. I saw a lot of people ordering the number 6. Personally, I love the number 4 because I got that in Vietnam a lot when I was there. But we didn't order any drink today. So here's our food. You got 10 of that. Look at that roast pork, it's very crunchy. And this is the fried rice cake with egg and papaya, carrot, spicy beef noodle soup with beef rib bones. So this is bánh ướt, very thin rice noodle that you usually eat with ground beef, but today this is the new version. So on it already have some dry shrimp and green onions, and then you just put in some more cucumber. Ooh, look at that pork. It's bean sprout, basil, carrot, some fried onion, and then you just wrap it up. It's very thin, so be careful when you wrap it. Very gently. And the fish sauce they have here is really good. You can put it on top. And the fried rice cake is really crunchy. It doesn't have any taste except when you dip in the sauce. And the egg is very fluffy, so you can eat all of them together with the sauce. Is really good. And here you got the beef rib bone. It's so tender. And the soup is not that spicy because I could not eat very spicy. So I just got the mild. And of course, you eat this fried onion with anything. And here is my versions. I put the fish sauce inside instead of outside.